Antoinette and Doug, good morning. Several more jurors need to be seated before opening statements can begin. 12 jurors have already been impaneled in this case. 4 more are needed. They will be alternates in this case, or could be alternates in this case. Karen Reed is charged with killing her boyfriend, off-duty Boston police officer John O'Keefe, back in 2022. She has pleaded not guilty. Prospective jurors are being asked if they've had contact with any witnesses, if they've heard about the case, and if they've formed an opinion about the case. Additionally, jurors are being questioned individually out of earshot of the public. Now, with regard to the 4 more who are needed, eventually possibly alternates, former Massachusetts Attorney General Martha Coakley says no jurors actually know that they're an alternate until the case is handed to them.
In Massachusetts, all the jurors sit until the deliberations begin, unlike in New York, where people are picked as jurors and alternate jurors. And part of that is, I think, to make sure everybody pays as much attention as they should.
A buffer zone will remain around the courthouse as the case picks up again today. A justice of the Supreme Judicial Court upheld the decision to have a buffer zone, but that ruling is also under appeal to the full SJC. And Karen Reed's lawyers are trying to rearrange the courtroom. They say that the current design means that some jurors will not be able to clearly see the faces of the witnesses testifying in this case. Reporting live this morning at Norfolk Superior Court in Dedham, Todd Kiskiewicz, WCVB News Center 5.